Hey everybody, I'm going to reveal a haul that I got just recently. It's all Ghostbusters. Here we have, and these are all made by Kenner back in the 80s. And this is Peter Venkman. It's the Fright Features Peter Venkman. I'll try to remember all the names of these figures as I go through. I tried to do my research on them. This is the Bug Eye Ghost. You're supposed to be able to push on him and his eye pops out. And then, it's connected by a string, I guess, so you don't lose the eye. A lot of these are in okay condition. Some of them are in better condition than others. But I get a really good deal on these. The guy that sold them to me, he sold pretty much the whole lot for I think $40 or $50. It came in two lots. I think one lot was $20 and the other lot was $30. So that's awesome. Here we got the Ecto Bomber. We've got Egon, the Fright Features Egon in the seat. It is missing a few pieces, but it's got the grabber in the front. That's nice, and has the gun on the top. So hey, there's my son's hand. He's like, let me play with that. Really, let me play with that. I really want to play with that. I really want to play with that. That's cool. I'm sure he'll get a chance to play with it. I always let my kids play with them. These Kenner toys, they're just like the Star Wars toys. The action figures are, really durable. Except for Egon's tie. You'll never find an Egon with the tie. It's always broken. And if you watch Toy Polloi, you'll see that he fixes the tie, and I'll probably use his technique someday. Here we have a stackable ghost. This is only the top of the ghost, but I think it's just the blue monster it's called. But it's supposed to stack on top. But I like to just put it on top of the figures like that. I'm going to eat you, slime ball. Here we have the mummy monster. And a lot of these figures, actually almost all of these figures, they have some kind of playability feature to them where you press a button and they move, or they fall apart, or their arms move, or their legs move, or their twist, or their waists move, or their head moves. They transform from a person to a creature. Some of the coolest toys I think ever made. Here we have this is the ex-cop ghost. I think it's from the Haunted Humans series that they had from the Real Ghostbusters. Yes, this is Real Ghostbusters, not Ghostbusters, but we all call it Ghostbusters because everybody knows what this is. This is the zombie monster. It's got a weird foot. And then another ex-cop. Not ex-copper. He's just an ex-cop. And then we have Fearsome Flush. Yeah, a toilet with a monster in it. Kind of fun. This is Granny Ghost. This is one of the ones where, she completely transforms into a monster. I like this one, actually. It's colorful. She's got an eye inside her hat when it opens up into a three-eyed monster. And then here we have the Ecto 2 helicopter. And it doesn't have the rotors for the propeller. And do you think that I can find those? Jeez, I can't find those anywhere. So eventually, I hope someday I'll find them. It's one of those things where you could see them at a toy show somewhere in a junk box and not realize what they are, because there's so many pieces and parts that you're looking for to try to complete, that you would look at it and not even realize it's it is what you need. But anyway, I'll find them hopefully eventually. Here's another monster. Here's Dracula. Let me see what's... Yeah. Oh, I think his... No, not his arm. No, don't use his arm. Chop, 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 chop. There it is. It's mostly the legs that make them do the movements. Oh, and then the arm. Here's another Egon with the fright feature. I'll probably use... One of these Egons had like black dots on it, like mold or rot or something, so I'll probably use the one without that. And here we have Wicked Wheelie, and he's supposed to come with a motorcycle or a scooter. And as you can see, his head turns into another head. We've got Frankenstein monster. Here we go. Oh. What's next in the bag is, a proton thing. Never seen this before. I'll do my research on that. It's probably like it comes with a backpack and stuff. Oh, another Venkman. Another Venkman figure. And this is Janine from the Screaming Heroes, I think. What's she do? You twist her, and then what do you do? Hit the button, and I guess she does that. So we've got Ray here with the fright features again. Another Peter Venkman. Holy cow. How many is that? 3? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 3 of those in there. Here's another Ray. But this is the original. This is the original Ray stands. And these have been reissued again with the original ones. I only have 1 or 2 original ones, but they're not complete. So it'd be nice to get the reissues. I've got Winston, I think, is the only reissue I have so far. I can't seem to find the other ones without having to pay like a lot of money for them. Here we've got Male Fraud Ghost. He's fraud because he's not really a mailman. He's a ghost. Okay, we've got Wolfman. What's Wolfman do? Woo! Oh! Sweet. I like that one. Oh, another male fraud ghost. He's a little yellowed, so I'll probably, the ones on the left, I'll probably sell those or trade them. Yeah, let's put these over here, the ones I'm going to keep. Those ones I'll sell. Or trade. I like trading more than selling. I'd rather just trade my stuff for other stuff. It's hard to trade sometimes because people think that their stuff is worth more than what they really are, and then, and you're trying to give them a deal, and they're trying to, get what they think they're worth on eBay. This one is a Ecto 3. Ecto 3. It looks actually pretty complete. I think it is. It's got the flag and everything on it. Might come with 2 flags, I'm not sure. I'll have to check on that and see. The grabbers work. Let's put one of my Peter Venkmans in there. And another part. Well, it looks like another wheel. So we've got another Ecto 3. With pretty much nothing on it. Steering wheel, I guess. Couple tires and wheels and stuff. And then another piece. I think that's from the sweeper, which I don't have. So at least I have an extra part in case I need it for when I ever find one. You never know, you might find one and then need the part. All right, so that's pretty much it. That was my haul. And then we're going to go segue over into the Firehouse, which I purchased. Now, this one, I got it really cheap. It's missing everything. It does have the doors, but you can see there it's cracked in a few places. The floor has a couple of the clips missing. And it's missing a few of the handrails. But it has most of the stickers, and it cleaned up really nicely. I did clean this before I put it on display in my collection. And I just think it's cool. So why not? I know it's missing all the pieces. I mean, it does have the doors, which is nice. Having the doors and the floors, that's the main thing, really, in the top. And you can still put your figures in there and display them, and it still looks great. And turn it around, you can see the details on the walls on the outside. So here's my Ghostbusters collection I wanted to show. For now on, I'm probably going to be when I do a haul like this of just one line, I'm going to show it in my collection once it's all put together. I do have the Ecto 1 there, and you can see Janine, the other Ghostbusters, and some ghosts on the top. So this concludes this unboxing and showing my Ghostbusters haul. Please leave a comment down below. Tell me, what you think of this toy line if you played with it. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See ya.